Do you think that women in Nigeria are free or has or
I'm from Niger, not Nigeria, because Niger and Nigeria is two different countries. So in Niger, I think now all women are active, like do some activity, entrepreneurship, and do good job, and like I I try my English. I have just 3 months in
Pakistan?
Pakistan. Yes, for learning English. Now I.
What's your experience in Pakistan?
In Pakistan, Pakistan is very good country, and all people is all people when I meet are very hospitable, and now I just know Islamabad, and I love Islamabad. I want to do some activity here, and try to some society in Pakistan, bring go to African market, and do some good relationship in economic sector, educative also, a lot of sector.
Have you any problem in Pakistan as far as
No.
language is concerned?
No, just I start to speak also Urdu. Kya hal hai? Making home, Allah face.
Allah Hafiz.
Yes, I have no problem in Pakistan. I enjoy.
Enjoy.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.